It's me. Yeah, I'm out on the country road again. Maybe. That one isn't too bad. There's like 100 in that. Was that all of them? They couldn't have been. I think there was 100 in there. That must have been. They were little. That wasn't too bad. That was 100 shot. That one wasn't bad. No idea how bad this one is. But I will light this one off. The other one wasn't bad, so that's why I'm staying in this location. Because there's no houses out here. This is over by where I do my route, so there's hardly anybody that will give me any problems. After that. Didn't realize that one was that bad. And I can't do anything. Okay, I didn't realize that one was that bad. Okay, I gotta get out of here now. I didn't realize that one was that bad. I gotta take off now. If I didn't realize that one was that bad. Okay. I didn't expect that. Okay, I did not expect that. That's a small one too. I think I'm done. One, I did make it home. Still got what's left of this. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 left in this box. And a full box underneath. And we still have sparklers left. We still have 10 boxes of sparklers left. Or no, more than that. There's 6, 12, 16 boxes of sparklers. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.